What's up, boys? We took two break-even trades today. One being at 8:41 Central Standard Time, and the other one being at 9:25 Central Standard Time. So, without wasting too much time, let's get into why I took these. So, if we go straight to the 4-hour time frame, you can tell that our bias, or I guess first of all, we're sitting inside this massive bullish 4-hour gap. We traded into it and kind of chopped around right here. Like this is, hold on, yeah, right here. So basically anything sort of before this area, we'll say. Actually, before this area, we'll say. So yeah, um, basically we chopped around for a while. Horrible move overnight. Like let's just look at how many points we moved overnight. Let's just give it like 12 o'clock. We moved a good 118 points overnight. Like that is awful. But expected some good volume in New York session, even though we didn't do much overnight. So yeah, with that being said, I had more of a bullish bias today, because we have these highs resting above, and we are reacting off of this. Well, I guess, well, yeah, kind of reacting off of this 4-hour gap because we're kind of staying stagnant. But let's get more into the entries. So I'll show you guys my draws first. Just disregard all this. I'm recording this a little bit late, but my sell side draws, I have this little sell side draw here, and then we also have this London low, which I believe on the 15-minute is a equal low. Yeah, equal low on the 15-minute, and then we have these equal highs. That was one of my draws as well. New York high and previous day high, but these are kind of interchangeable. They're like 2 points apart. As you can see, like barely any points, like 3 points. But yeah, let's get more into the entries, guys. So just go over the 1 minute. All right. So market opens right here. We go up, and I believe we reject at least a 15-minute. I could be wrong about that. I'm probably wrong about that. It's been a minute since I looked at the market, my bad. Oh yeah, that's right. We rejected basically nothing. So I don't know exactly what we rejected, but we came down and we tapped this 15-minute gap right here. I'm not going to change time frames because I don't want to scroll back, but this was a 15-minute gap. There was also a 5-minute gap. We come down, we sort of sweep some of these lows, and we come up, displace higher, and again, we traded into this 15-minute gap, 5-minute gap. Everything looked good for longs, had equal highs, bullish bias overall. I'm like, all right, yeah, these longs look super solid. So I enter off this candle, got kind of bad slippage. Break even right here at the swing point. If we were to win this trade, we would trade straight through this and hit my equal, or hit the take profit. But as you can see, we sweep this break even point and go lower. So that's a break even trade right there. Not too mad about it. And then for this one, we started going lower, and it looked pretty apparent that well, actually, at this point, we were chopping a little bit, and I was like, might get off. But then we start moving pretty good, and I wanted to see this 15-minute get inverse before taking a trade, and we got it right here. We got the inversion, and then we have a pullback here into this 1 minute and I believe 3 minutes. Yeah, 1 minute and 3 minute gap. I don't think we had formed a 5-minute yet. But out of this, we had a pretty good displacing candle. I like to use this kind of as a rule of thumb right here. It needs to invalidate 2/3 of the leg, which it did. That's just kind of my rule of thumb. I won't enter if it doesn't do that, but it did. and we had our break-even point right here. Again, the swing low, and it came down and then came up, hit my break-even. So not too mad about that. But when we started to come down here, I was like, bro, no way, we're definitely gonna hit my take profit. But luckily, it just ended up reversing. Just not a very good day of price action. But I guess I'll show you guys kind of what's going on in the accounts so far. So we're down $600, 688 to be exact. Hoping on Friday, which is tomorrow. I'm hoping we're able to bounce back and get in profit on this account. But if not, that's all right because I'm not really tripping about it. I trust my system, and I trust that I can, do what I need to do to get these things passed slow and steady. So that's what I'm going to be worrying about. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Just wanted to record a video despite taking a win or a loss. Just want to stay a little bit more consistent. And I also took 2 break-even trades, so I wanted to recap that with you guys. But I just want to calculate real quick what my total, because I want to stay completely transparent with y'all. I want to calculate how much money I put into trading since starting the series, and then obviously when I get payouts, how much I take out, so that you guys see full transparency. So let me go over here. Okay, 150. 1 second, sorry, I'm calculating some things. Believe it was, yeah, I believe that's it. So total so far, I'm down. I don't know if you guys can see this. Maybe, hold on. Let me go full screen. I'm down $400 so far, real life P&L. So again, not really tripping about that. That's just a part of it. You got to put money in to make money, so that's just how it goes. But that's basically it for this video, so I will see you guys tomorrow.